Digital Torque Assurance Solution. Fastening with assurance.
Our access control system features facial recognition, card access, and username and password authentication. For this video, we will be using facial recognition.
Once access is granted, you'll be taken to the main menu. In the top left corner, you'll see the username and employee ID. The top right displays the tool's information, and in the bottom right, you can find the number of saved test records. Let's move on to the torque tool test. Right below the user information, you'll see that it's a 6-step guided workflow. This page allows you to identify the tools through 3 options. RFID recognition automatically detects tools using RFID tags. Manual selection allows you to choose tools from a list. Unregistered tool enables entry for tools that aren't in the system yet. For this video, we will be RFID recognition. After scanning the tools, their information will be displayed. Based on the calibration due date, the tool will be categorized as either serviceable or unserviceable. To proceed to the next step, the user must verify that the information is correct. Otherwise, the system will return to tool identification. We have 3 test modes to choose from. Track mode lets you see real-time measurements, so you can monitor changes as they happen. Peak hold captures the highest torque value during your session and keeps it on display, making it easy to identify maximum torque. First peak records the very first peak torque applied, which is great for applications where that initial value matters. For this video, we will proceed with peak hold test. We have 3 testing methods to choose from. Single point, ideal for a single setting torque wrench or screwdriver, focusing on a specific torque measurement. Standard test covers 20%, 60%, and 100% of the torque range. This is to compliance with ISO standards. User-defined, customize the test parameters to fit your specific needs. For this video, we will be using user-defined. This page allows you to select the direction, either clockwise direction or clockwise and counterclockwise direction, as well as specify the number of test points and which transducer to use. At this stage, the system is configuring the transducer. Once it's ready, the user can proceed with the test. As you can see, the first test fell within tolerance, along with the error percentage as indicated on the screen. The chart displaying the torque data will help the user achieve better torque results during the test, showing whether they are applying torque correctly and if additional training is required. This second test will display an out-of-tolerance reading. As you can see, the second test is out of tolerance as indicated on the screen along with the error percentage. A sound alert will inform the user that this test is out of tolerance. After the test is completed, a summary will display the overall results, indicating whether the item is suitable for use. It will clearly show a pass or fail status. Once the result is saved, it will be stored locally as well as in the cloud. To view the result locally, go to the main menu and select Record, Test Record. Within the Test Record section, you'll be able to see all past test records. Long holding on a test record will take you deeper into the details, showing the test points. This is a video of how to access the test records. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video helpful in understanding our product.